Intelligent Manufacturing Next-Gen Upgrade. The Kalatin Delitigen AI Smart Cut Laser Tube Cutter delivers peak efficiency for effortless tube cutting. Certified for excellence, the system delivers density acceleration, ideal for mass tube production. With an optional servo auto-loading rack, it saves 30 seconds of setup time, maximizing overall productivity. The side-mounted bed structure enables each loading cycle in just 20 seconds. Featuring a fully enclosed precision chuck with brake, the Sibden delivers stable, precise cuts across all metal tubes. Longxin AI Smart Cut offers real-time support and one-click parameter tuning, reducing manual adjustments. Advanced technologies such as zero-tail cutting, slag, free cutting, and high-speed cutting take the Funith Gen Kai to the next level. Widely used in metal furniture, baby strollers, and bicycles. The Funith Gen K series delivers maximum efficiency for superior results.